What if living longer isn't about extreme diets or expensive supplements, but a few simple daily habits backed by science? In this video, we break down the proven longevity habits that help people live longer, healthier lives. Longevity isn't just about adding years to your life. It's about adding healthy, energetic years. Scientists studying blue zones, aging biology, and lifestyle medicine have identified clear, evidence-based habits that slow aging, reduce disease risk, and improve quality of life. This video cuts through myths and trends to share science-backed longevity habits you can start today. No biohacking jargon, no unrealistic routines, just habits that actually work. Humanity has long been captivated by the quest for extended life. From ancient myths to modern medicine, the desire to live longer and healthier has driven countless endeavors. Today, modern science offers concrete, evidence-based answers to this enduring fascination. We are now able to identify specific, demonstrably beneficial habits that contribute significantly to longevity. These practices are not based on speculation, but are grounded in rigorous scientific research and extensive studies. Our goal is not merely to extend lifespan, but crucially, to improve the quality of life in our later years. Diet stands as a truly crucial pillar for achieving longevity and maintaining robust health. What we consume directly impacts our cellular function, energy levels, and disease susceptibility. Making informed dietary choices is fundamental to a longer, healthier existence. One of the most extensively researched and recommended dietary patterns is the Mediterranean diet. This eating style is rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, providing essential nutrients and fiber. It also includes legumes, nuts, and seeds, which contribute to overall well-being. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes healthy fats, primarily from olive oil, which is a cornerstone of its health benefits. This dietary approach is consistently associated with a reduced risk of numerous chronic diseases. It is particularly effective in preventing heart disease, a leading cause of mortality worldwide. Furthermore, adopting the Mediterranean diet significantly lowers the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. It also plays a protective role against certain cancers, underscoring its comprehensive health advantages. Its balanced nature supports long-term health and vitality. Another area of significant scientific interest is calorie restriction. This involves consistently consuming fewer calories than the body expends, without leading to malnutrition. It is a practice that has shown promising results in various animal studies. In these studies, calorie restriction has been observed to extend lifespan and delay the onset of age-related diseases. While actively researched in humans, preliminary findings suggest its potential to slow down aging processes. It also appears to improve metabolic health markers. Regular physical activity is paramount for longevity and overall vitality. It is not just about maintaining a healthy weight, it profoundly impacts nearly every system in the body. A sedentary lifestyle is a significant risk factor for numerous health issues. A balanced approach combines both aerobic exercise and strength training. Aerobic activities like brisk walking or jogging strengthen the cardiovascular system, improving heart and lung function. Strength training builds and maintains muscle mass and bone density, crucial for mobility and preventing falls in later life. Beyond physical benefits, exercise also boosts cognitive function, enhancing memory and mental clarity. It helps protect the brain from age-related decline. Even moderate exercise, such as brisk walking for 30 minutes most days of the week, yields substantial benefits. Consistent physical activity significantly reduces the risk of age-related diseases, including heart disease, stroke, and certain cancers. It also helps manage conditions like type 2 diabetes and high blood pressure. Embracing regular movement is a powerful way to extend lifespan and improve health. Prioritizing sleep is a critical factor for both immediate health and long-term longevity. Sleep is not merely a period of inactivity. It is an essential biological process. During sleep, the body actively repairs and rejuvenates itself at a cellular level. It allows the brain to consolidate memories, process information, and clear metabolic waste products. Chronic sleep deprivation carries severe consequences for health. It significantly increases the risk of heart disease and contributes to obesity. Furthermore, insufficient sleep weakens immune function, making the body more susceptible to infections and illnesses. It also impairs cognitive performance and mood regulation. The recommendation for adults is to aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule and creating a conducive sleep environment are vital. Prioritizing adequate, restorative sleep is a non-negotiable habit for a longer, healthier life. It underpins all other health efforts. Effectively, managing stress is crucial for overall well-being and plays a significant role in longevity. While acute stress can be beneficial, chronic stress accelerates the aging process. It places a constant burden on the body's systems. Chronic stress increases the risk of various diseases, including cardiovascular issues, digestive problems, and mental health disorders. It can also suppress the immune system and disrupt hormonal balance. Finding healthy ways to cope is essential. Effective stress mitigation practices include meditation, which promotes mindfulness and reduces physiological stress responses. Yoga combines physical postures with breathing techniques, fostering relaxation and mental clarity. Spending time in nature has also been shown to lower stress hormones. Cultivating strong social connections provides emotional support and a sense of belonging, acting as a buffer against stress. Prioritizing stress management is not a luxury, but a fundamental component of a long and healthy life. It protects both mind and body. Avoiding harmful habits is non-negotiable for anyone seeking to achieve longevity. Certain behaviors actively undermine health and drastically shorten lifespan. Eliminating these practices is a foundational step toward a healthier future. Smoking is perhaps the most detrimental habit, significantly increasing the risk of numerous diseases. It causes cancer, heart disease, stroke, and chronic respiratory conditions. Quitting smoking is one of the most impactful decisions for extending life. Excessive alcohol consumption also poses severe health risks. It can lead to liver damage, heart problems, various cancers, and impaired cognitive function. Moderation, or complete abstinence, is key to protecting long-term health. These habits not only increase the risk of disease, but also diminish overall quality of life. Making conscious choices to avoid them creates a robust foundation for a vibrant and extended existence. It empowers the body to thrive. The science of longevity is clear and compelling. It points to a set of interconnected, evidence-based practices that collectively provide the best foundation for a longer, healthier life. These are not quick fixes, but sustainable lifestyle changes. Incorporating these habits into daily routines requires commitment and consistency. It means making conscious choices about diet, movement, rest, and mental well-being. Each small step contributes to a significant cumulative effect. By embracing these scientifically backed longevity habits, you are not just adding years to your life, you are also enhancing the quality of those years, enabling you to live longer and enjoy a vibrant and fulfilling life. The path to a healthier future begins today. If you want to age better, feel stronger, and protect your future health, this video is for you. Like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to live well for longer. Thanks for watching the video.